Hello everyone. In this session, we have to solve 8 puzzle problem without heuristic. So this problem comes under the state space problem. Before starting this session, I tell you friends, in last session, I explained how to solve water jug problem. This example also comes under state space problem. So what is state space problem? State space means we have two states. One is initial state and second is goal states. We have create rules and move to transfer our initial state to goal states. So now we can start our session. In this problem, we can see we have two states. One is initial state and second in goal states. In this problem, we have generate moves to transfer our initial state to goal states. In this problem, we can see we have only one blank space or empty space in initial states. So we can apply a legal move on this empty space. So what is legal move? That means we can transfer empty space left side, right side, upside or downside. Here we have see figure 1. You can consider red mark is empty space. So we have 4 empty space in different locations. So here we can find out legal move for this empty space. If we consider digit 1 is empty space, so it can move only downside or right side. If we consider 3 is our empty space, so it can move only left side or downside. If we consider 7 is empty space, so it can move right side or upside. If we consider 9 is our empty space, so it can move only left side or upside. So here we can find out only 2 legal move for this 4 empty space. Next for figure 2, we can see in figure 2 have also 4 empty space. Not that red mark digit is considered empty space. So we can find legal move for that. If we have considered digit 2 is empty space, so it can move only downside, right side and left side. If we consider digit 4 is empty space, so it can move like downside, upside, right side. If we consider 6 is our empty space, so it can move like downside, upside, left sides. If we consider 8 is our empty space, so it can move like upside, right side and left sides. So here we can find out only 3 legal move for these 4 empty space. Now in figure 3 we can see only one empty space. Consider digit 5 is empty space. So we can have 4 legal move for that. Moves are left sides, right sides, upsides and downsides. So I hope you can find out legal move for the empty space. Now we can find out technology or method is used to achieve a goal state. So we use blind search or uninformed search to solve this problem. Blind search or uninformed search means we can use BFS, means breadth first search. It works like, consider it is our start state. Based on that, we can find out its successor or node until we cannot reach to our goal state. So it can move like First, consider start sets, then level 1 or depth 1, then level 2 or depth 2. Means we can explore or expand every state. So now we can explore or how to solve our 8 puzzle problem. Now we can find out the solution of 8 puzzle problem. In this problem, we can see we have two states. One is initial state and one is goal states. With the help of blind search and legal move, we can find out the solutions. So now we can explore or expand our problem with the help of blind search or uninformed search. So here we can see the initial state. We have three legal moves for that. That moves are right side, upside and downside. In right side move, we can replace 4 and empty space. In upside move, we can replace first or 1 and empty space. And in downside, we can move or replace 7 and empty space. So it's called depth 1. It now we can further expand our right side move. It has 4 legal moves. So first move is apply downside. So we can replace 5 and empty space. Second moves apply upside. So we can replace 2 and empty space. Now we can apply third move and it is right sides. So we can replace 6 and empty space. And fourth move is left side. So we can replace fourth and empty space. Now we can further expand upsides move. It can have two legal moves. First is right side. So we can replace 2 and empty space. Second is downside. So we can replace 1 and empty space. Now we can further expand downsides move. It has two legal moves. First is upsides. So we can replace 7 and empty space. Second is right side. So we can replace 5 and empty space. So it is called depth 2. Now we can further expand our move for the left side. So here we have three legal move. First move is right side. So we can replace 8 and empty space. Second move is left side. So we can replace 7 and empty space. Third move is upsides. So we can replace 5 and empty space. Now we check here, we have find out our goal state. So this way we have find out our goal states with the help of blind search. We can solve 8 puzzle problem without heuristics. So in depth 3 we can find out answer. Thank you friends watching this video. In next video we can see how to solve 8 puzzle problem with help of heuristic search.